Choose the front plane and then start a sketch. Draw a center line. Then draw the profile of the sketch. Next, define the dimensions. Click OK. Come over here by clicking Revolved Boss. And then select the top plane and create a new sketch. Then draw a line, draw a circle. The spacing is 2 mm between the inner circle and the outer circle. Select thin feature. Type 3 mm. Then click OK. The depth should be 5 mm. Then use the shell tool to complete the final step. Now the part is done. Change the color. Select a color you like. Create a sketch from the front plane. Then draw a slot at this position. The length is 10 mm. And the width is 5 mm. And the next is click extruded cut. Choose extruded cut. And then drag this arrow to a suitable position. In the direction option, you can select the cylindrical surface and then select the feature slot cut. Click OK. And the next we need to do is make a circular pattern. Choose instance spacing. The instance spacing angle is 120 degrees. Next, we use a equation to drive the instance angle. When we change the instance number, the instance angle is changed automatically. Equals 360 degrees divided when we change the number of the instance. The instance angle is changed automatically. Thanks for watching.